Hey everybody, Ken Salvail here today, having a look at the garden, looking at a few hellebores. It's spring now and the hellebores seem to have come through pretty good. And we can see what they look like. We can see these big heavy evergreen leaves that they have, and these guys are looking pretty good. We can see some of the flowers here starting to push up. We're on the 15th of March, so this is about on track. Even maybe a little bit behind. We had a pretty cold winter this year, and so hellebores are hanging in there. I always show these hellebores each year. This one here is my favorite one. I think it's called Apple Blossom, and it's just waking up. You can see the buds coming here. So what the routine is, they do look fairly rough at this time of year. So what I usually do is I'll remove actually all the foliage and only leave just these buds, and that'll leave a nice tidy plant there. So I'll just do that really quick and just show you what that looks like. Alright, so I've removed this section. I've just trimmed all the leaves off around to this point, and now I will finish that up so you can see what it looks like again. Alright, so I've got this one cleaned up. I've got all the leaves trimmed all the way around, taking off all the ratty looking ones from the winter. You get the occasional one I'll leave behind, or some leaves from a few other trees in here. Oak leaf. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. Oh, there's a snail. We'll get rid of that. And yeah, so there's your hellebore ready to go. So what this does is, it's not like critical for the growth of the plant to do this. This is just strictly an ornamental thing. So this is just, you know, you want to get the nicest effect you can. You want the hellebore shooting up with just this beautiful bouquet of flowers in the springtime. And that way you can just enjoy it. And then it'll grow all new leaves this year and look just fabulous. So I guess that's basically going to be it for today. Just wanted to show you how to cut back the hellebores so you're good to go. And great plants because they are deer resistant and super easy to grow. Partially shaded areas are preferred for sure. They don't really like it too hot and sunny. So, but what a good plant, and they're really quite lovely. So I'll throw a few pictures of some hellebores up here for you to look at. And yeah, maybe I'll find the picture of this plant, this exact plant from last year, and show you what it looked like. Anyway, okay, that's it for this time, and we'll talk to you again very soon on Grow Fruit Shop.